Man, been a while since I showed you all the garden there. I had a row of onions in there. And I don't know what happened to them. Well, I ate them all. So I planted me another row of onions today. Look at them bedelias. We ain't touched the bedelias yet, but we're gonna try to work if it don't rain us out here. I don't know if I'll get a tomato by July or not. I don't know. We got flowers on them, but I'm talking about a ripe one by July 4th. We got plenty of peppers on, and we've had a joker. He lives under that building right there. He comes out whenever I leave, and you can see he's gonna keep that up. And he may wind up in a pot there, you know what I mean. I'm just saying. Got a few cucumbers right there. That right there's them sweet potatoes. I gotta get in here and work them. You can go ahead and hit me with the dirt clod if you want to. I've gotten sorry. I don't know what happened with the all that flower there that I just can't remember. I just can't remember for the life of me. Let me show the plant to somebody out here and they'll know what it is there. That one right there. And we got them green beans. Man, I got to have me a pot of them half runners, you know what I mean. We're gonna have a load of pears, I know that. Yes, buddy. Well, anyway, that's the garden for right now. It's raining, and let me get with it here, and I'll give you an update and show you what she looks like when we get her all done. I'm gonna heal her up too if we can there. Well, as you can see, we didn't beat the rain, but we got almost a full tank of water. And we've got a leak right here someplace. I'm gonna have to check on that. Cloudy old day here in the Buckeye State, but we did get them onions in the ground just in time. Heck yeah, we did. Come as far as I could. That's a cold old rain. Nice one. Nice steady rain for the garden there. Weeds wasn't all that bad in the garden. I mean, we have had weeks and weeks no rain. And we're getting a nice soaking rain, slow, easy rain, and it's not cold. It's a nice rain. I have worked a garden in the rain like this before. You got to do what you got to do. I mean, you know, not today. Have a good one. We'll catch you later. Just want to say God bless and catch you up on give you a garden update there. You take care. We'll catch you in the next one for sure.